If the shedding and the tangling look crazy, the wig is an absolute no for me, okay?
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll see my
hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing me. Hello, it's your girl Diamond Janae here on YouTube. So as you guys can see by the title, today your girl is going to be doing another wig review, and this time around actually I was contacted by UNice Hair to do a review for them, so a big shout out to you guys for that. Thank you so much, because listen, when I tell y'all, listen, this is saying a lot for me, but this is probably one of my top 3 favorite wigs that I've got for the year. Like, that's really saying a lot, because I am extremely picky. But I will say as well, I did definitely want to mention this, because this is definitely something that I was extremely happy about, because I'm a very impatient person, okay? This company does offer fast 2-day shipping, so I am very happy about that. Like, literally, like, once I sent my address over to the representative, I literally got my wig two days later, so I was very much happy about that. Because I was even saying too, because I had a birthday party and then also a baby shower to go to last weekend, so I was really keeping my fingers crossed and hoping and praying that I would get this hair early enough that I would be able to wear it to the events that I went to, and thankfully I was able to do that. Of course, if you guys look at my last vlog, you guys will see me wearing this wig. But yeah, so I definitely did want to say that, because I do know, like, with a lot of hair companies, I feel like for the most part you either have to pay an arm and a leg for fast shipping, or you usually have to wait about 5 to 7 business days to get your wig. So the fact that you get your wig in 2 days, very much nice. Listen, y'all better jump on this company, because high quality hair and fast shipping, come on now. Like I previously mentioned earlier, this hair is from unicehair.com. Of course, all their information and the direct link to this wig and all that fun stuff is going to be in the description box down below for you guys. So this is their Highlight Ombre TL27 straight human hair lace part wigs, and this is 150% density. And yes, this wig is a T-part wig. I don't remember if I said it in one of my other videos or like in one of my vlogs, but I remember I used to say that I don't really care for T-part wigs all like that, just because of like the setup and the lace and all that stuff. But honestly y'all, this wig has definitely changed my mind when it comes to T-part wigs, in a way, because again, you guys will see later on what I mean by that. So I did record me unboxing this wig and all the products that came with it and stuff like that as part of my last vlog, so I'll probably insert clips somewhere around here.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here just smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is the tree. But I last 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
I'll keep it simple, baby. I'ma keep it simple with you, baby. You know I don't ever play no games.
So yeah, so as you guys can see, you do get a lot of stuff when it comes to this company as well. So you're not just receiving a wig, you're also getting some cute accessories and whatnot to go along with it and all that fun stuff. I will say as well too, when it did come to bleaching the knots, super easy, nothing too crazy. As you guys saw, I literally just used the L'Oreal the L'Oreal powder, and then I use the regular 30 volume developer that I usually use for my wig. So the knots on this wig definitely did bleach very, very, very nice. So I will say I did leave the bleach on the hair for about I think it was either 20 to 25 minutes or maybe even 30. But I'm gonna just say 25 just to be safe, because God forbid you guys like go by my word and then like the knots are over bleached. So I'm gonna just say 25 just to be safe. And of course, as far as installing this hair itself, y'all, I'm telling you guys, from advanced to beginner, anybody can install this hair. Like when I tell you guys, it was so easy and quick for me to install this hair. It was literally insane. I did of course go in and pluck a little bit of the front, and the only reason why I didn't pluck a lot more than I wanted to was because again, this is a T-part wig, so the amount of lace you get is limited on this wig, but at the same time, for the price, you really can't beat it, and on top of that, for the quality. So I don't really, it's not like a giant deal to me, because again, like I said before, like I said, I love this wig. This wig is literally one of my top 3 favorite wigs that I've gotten this year, and again, that's saying a lot. But again, I do wish I did have a little bit more, you know, play when it comes to the lace, just to make it look a little bit more natural. But at the same time, I definitely don't have any complaints. Like I don't see any tracks or nothing like that. So even the little bit I did pluck, it definitely did help make a difference. I will say too though, this wig, like I previously mentioned in the title, this wig is 150% density. It's a T-part wig construction, and on top of that, I got this wig in a 22-inch. So this is what the hair looks like when I pull it all in the front. So, because I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw the 150 density and then I'm thinking like, wait, this wig is gonna be 22 inches, I will say I was a bit on the nervous side. I will say that I was nervous, and I'm just like, I hope this wig isn't super thin. I hope it doesn't end up looking crazy and all this other stuff. But as you guys can see, the hair itself still looks really, really, really good. I usually wear this hair, you know, one side back, one side forward, or all the way straight to the back. I usually don't wear my hair in the front like this too much these days, but that's what this is basically looking like. And then standing up, as you guys can see, this is basically where the hair falls. So it's almost, yeah, it's waist length. I will say this hair is waist length, so I will say you definitely don't get cheaped out when it comes to the length of the hair. And if any of you guys are wondering, I am currently 5'6", so that's what the hair is looking like. And that's kind of how it looks like from the back. As you guys can see, once all the hair is pushed to the back, I'm over here dropping everything, goodness. But this is what the hair is looking like from the back. All right guys, so now for the fun part, the pros and the cons. So I will say, when it comes to this hair, big pro, this hair is extremely soft. Like when I tell you guys, from the moment I opened this wig out of the package to now, and mind you, this is my second time washing this hair since I've had it, and again, I have been wearing this wig for a week straight. Literally soft. This hair is so soft, it's so nice. It does get a little bit frizzy, but I will say I do use like the Moroccan argan oil. Yeah, sorry, I had to think about that for a second. But I do the Moroccan argan oil on this hair before I go ahead and straighten this hair, and that definitely does help tame the frizz as well. Like even on the blonde part in the front, there's really not a lot of frizziness going on. Like of course it's not like perfect, but at the same time, like you don't want your wigs to look too perfect to the point where they look wiggy. And just overall, I only have to really go through the hair maybe like 2 or 3 passes on the flat iron for it to be bone straight the way I want it to be. So I'm definitely happy about that, because listen, when you get a straight wig, you're expecting to wear that wig straight for the most part, you know, so you don't want to have to sit up here and pass through the hair with the flat iron 1,000,001 times. So I really like that as well. I will say technically 2 more big pros is that as far as tangling and shedding goes, that is literally like non-existent with this wig. Like of course this wig does get a little bit of shedding by me like brushing through it and like when I style it and stuff like that. But once I'm done styling the hair and I leave it alone, like when I brush through the hair, I don't be getting a bunch of random strands. as you guys can see, like I don't really get any strands of hair unless I'm just brushing through it. And then also as far as tangling goes, this hair really doesn't tangle at all for the most part. Like you might get a little tiny bit of pushback because wet hair doesn't give you pushback, but at the same time, like literally is basically non-existent. So those are really good too, because again, if the shedding and the tangling look crazy, the wig is an absolute no for me. Okay, we're not doing that. But with this wig, you definitely don't have to worry about that whatsoever. So that's another pro as well. I will say, if I had, because I always at least try to pick a con when it comes to wigs, because I feel like there's no such thing as a perfect wig all around. So if I had to pick something, again, I already did briefly talk about this earlier, but that is the lace. Honestly, for me, it's the lace. Like literally, if I had to nitpick and say anything that's a con about this hair, it would just be the cap construction. But at the same time, again, it's a T-part wig. They advertise it as a T-part wig, so you know what you're buying before you go to get it, you know what I mean? But my only thing with T-part wigs is that, again, you don't really have as much lace space to like play around with different styles or play around with making the hairline more customized to you, if that makes sense. But other than that, the lace is phenomenal, extremely easy to blend in, nothing too crazy with that either. Overall, I will highly suggest this unit, especially if you're a beginner, because when I tell you guys, like I said before, it was so easy to install this hair. No glue, none of the messiness with that. I literally just used my even spray, and then I also used some mousse, made sure I tied the wig down to have the lace lay flat as it possibly can, and that's basically the result. And again, I do take this wig off every day though, because I do not wear this wig to the gym. I will say that too. So for me to install this hair in the morning literally takes me like 5 minutes. Like no lie, because most of the time I don't even have to re-straighten this hair because it basically stays straight even if I do happen to go to bed with it later on that day. But I do reinstall this hair every single morning after I go to the gym and after I take a shower and I'm getting ready for my day and stuff like that. So if you're the type of girl that you like to take your wigs off every night, this wig is really not going to be that much of a hassle for you in the morning to, you know, re-zhuzh up real quick and basically be ready to walk out the door and be looking flawless while you're doing it. Okay, but yeah guys, so that concludes this wig review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully, if you guys do have any questions, please don't forget to comment down below, and I will of course answer you guys as soon as I possibly can. Like I said before, y'all need to hurry up and get this wig because mama is very much happy. Like when I tell you guys I'm wearing this wig for a second week in a row, and that's saying a lot, especially lately, because I've literally been changing wigs like every like 4 or 5 days. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more wig reviews, wig updates, all that good fun stuff, makeup, fashion. I do pretty much everything, or I'm in the process of doing everything on my channel because, you know, your girl's revamping and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.